Did you know 33% of marketers send emails weekly? Additionally, 26% of marketers send emails multiple times per month. As marketers, we spend a lot of time not only building email marketing strategies, but spend a lot of time creating those emails. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to help you not only strategize to create your email marketing campaigns, but have AI help you write those emails as well. Let's jump into it. So first, to be able to send emails through your Shopify store, you're going to need to install some type of software or application that can assist you with that. Now, I've already created a full video explaining what email applications I recommend for your Shopify store, but in brief, if you have a larger team, I would recommend Klaviyo, and if you have a smaller team, I would recommend the application Seguno. But given we're going to utilize AI to really assist with a lot of our email marketing, either of these platforms will work well for you. So once we have the appropriate software on our Shopify store, we're going to want to start thinking about what strategies we should utilize for our email marketing campaigns. And that's really the first step in which we're going to use AI to assist us in developing the strategies for these email marketing campaigns. It's really important to remember that when we're using software like ChatGPT, that we want to be as specific as possible when we are trying to request information or, in this example, strategies for our email marketing campaigns. So let's jump into ChatGPT and I'll show you exactly the type of prompts that you should push to ChatGPT to be able to get the best information back from it. Okay, so when we're actually putting prompts into ChatGPT, we really want to be as specific as possible so that the results that we get truly reflect what we're looking for. So for this example, let's say we're selling vegan protein bars as a company, and we want to develop 5 email marketing strategies to help increase the average order value of our customers. And most importantly, we don't want any of the promotions to go over 20%. Okay, so we're going to type in develop 5 promotional email marketing strategies to increase average order value for a vegan protein bar company. Make sure that each promotion does not exceed 20% off. Okay, so now you can see it's coming up with the 5 different strategies. The first one is bundling promotions. So offer a bundle deal where customers can buy a pack of protein bars along with a shaker bottle or a workout towel. Okay, so with like complimentary products. Second is a tiered discount promotion, offering a discount on their entire purchase when they reach a certain spend threshold, which I recommend all the time. Tiered discounts are a great way to increase that cart value. Limited time gift promotion, so you get a free gift for a limited time. This promotion encourages customers to buy more to receive the free gift. An upsell promotion, suggesting higher priced items to customers during the checkout process. And a referral promotion, offering customers a discount on their next purchase when they refer a friend who makes a purchase. So these 5 strategies are really great. They're very different, which is tremendous. So you're not repeating a lot of these strategies within your given time. So I think this is a really good start and pretty helpful when it comes to a Shopify store with a small team. This is really a helpful start. So now that ChatGPT has developed our 5 email marketing strategies, let's take this a step further and actually request for it to write the copy for us as well. Now keep in mind, with ChatGPT, you don't need to rewrite any of these prompts. You can simply just respond to what's already been put out by the software. So essentially, we just want to be as specific as possible to make sure that we're getting exactly what we're looking for. So now we're just going to say develop copy for the 5 email marketing strategies emojis above. Keep the character length under 125 characters. And develop coupon codes for each strategy. And let's say unique coupon codes. Okay, and now you can see, as listed above, the first promotion was bundling promotion. And now we have copy under 125 characters that says, fuel up your workout, get 20% off our protein bars and shaker bundle. Use code SHAKE20 at checkout. Now keep in mind, I didn't prompt it anything about vegan protein bars, anything related to what I had previously stated. All I'm asking for is it to write copy, a specific length copy for each promotion above. Number 2 is a tiered discount promotion, like it said above. The more you buy, the more you save. Spend 50 and get 10% off with code SAVE10. Spend 75, get 15% off with SAVE15. Again, it's following the no 20%, no promotion higher than 20%. And then you can see 3, 4, and 5. Again, it's under 125 characters. And most importantly, it's also producing unique coupon codes, which also takes a lot of time out of the process for actually creating these emails for your marketing strategy, because not only is it writing the copy for your emails, but now it's also creating unique coupon codes. So now all you have to do is create the coupon codes in Shopify. You don't even have to think them up yourself. So as you can see, we're really just scratching the surface here with ChatGPT. You can obviously utilize this in much deeper ways, in much more impactful ways. But I really think this is an important tool for brands that are smaller and have a smaller team, that are spending a lot of time coming up with these strategies, coming up with the copy for each email, coming up with those unique coupon codes, spending all that valuable time when they need to be able to spend time elsewhere. So ChatGPT can really be helpful in those smaller tasks that are eating up a lot of your time. So take some of these tips, take some of these tricks, utilize ChatGPT, and go and grow your Shopify.